In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and manage payment methods with Whop.io. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your payment processes, this guide will help you navigate through setting up additional payment methods, particularly focusing on linking PayPal to your Whop account. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to Whop's home feed. Once you're there, the first task is to click on the dashboard. This is the central hub for managing different aspects of your account. Think of it as the control center from which you access various settings and features. So, go ahead and click on Dashboard to begin. Next, we'll move on to handling your financials. Click on the Payouts section within the dashboard. This area is crucial as it allows you to manage how you receive your earnings. It's important to regularly check this section to ensure that your payout methods are correctly configured and up to date. Clicking on Payouts will lead you to more detailed options. From there, locate and click on Additional Payment Methods. This option is where you can explore different ways to channel your earnings from Whop into your preferred payment accounts. This step is particularly useful if you want to add new ways to receive funds or switch your current method. Look for the link to additional payment methods and give it a click. Now, it's time to focus on integrating PayPal into your payouts. You'll need to click on Set up PayPal to accept PayPal payments. PayPal is a widely used platform for receiving payments, and integrating it can offer flexibility and convenience. By setting this up, you ensure that your transactions can be processed efficiently through PayPal. Hit the Set up PayPal button to proceed. Following this, you'll see a simple instruction to click on Setup. This step is mostly about confirming your intent to integrate PayPal as a payment method. It means that you're ready to provide the necessary information to link your accounts. Clicking Setup indicates you're ready to move forward with the configuration. At this point, you should see an option to click on Next. This selection will guide you through to the final stages of the setup process. It usually involves verifying and confirming details before finalizing the integration. Click on Next so we can proceed to enter the necessary information. Finally, input your PayPal details as prompted. Make sure the information you enter is accurate to avoid any transaction issues later. Double check things like your email address and any security information required by PayPal. This is a crucial step as correct details ensure smooth future transactions. Once you've entered your details, you should be all set up. There you have it, a straightforward process to link PayPal with @Whop.